Hi guys, this is a standard form lesson. Lots of words, your favourite. But, once you know your standard form, you will know the basics, which is important. And they are, the number has to be between 1 and 10. So that's 1 and 10. So we shall begin. Watch my other video on standard forms conversions before you come onto this, because obviously this is a little bit more trickier because there's words. So we have 149, 600, 000, massive number, but the same concept. So we've got 149. It's got to be between 1 and 10, so our decimal point will live here. And we moved it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 1.496 times 10 to the power of 8. Guys, you really do need to stop now if you didn't understand that, because you need to go and look at the basics of standard form. The population of a country is estimated to be 83 million people. Express this number in standard form. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's move our decimal place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 8 and 3. Perfect. Matches our limitations. So it's going to be 8.3 times 10 to the power of 7. Okay? Because we moved the decimal place 7 times to get between our 8 and 3. The grain of sand has a mass of 0.0000032 grams. Write this mass in standard form. So we know what to do here, guys. It's going to become a negative. So 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, look how I've written that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Now our limitations between 1 and 10. So our decimal place is going to move to here. So it's going to be 3.2 times 10 to the power of, we're going up this time, so it's going to be a negative number, and we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it was 7 times we moved it to get between 3 and 2. So it's minus 7. The speed of light is approximately massive number meters per second. Express this speed in standard form. So we've got our decimal places here, and we're going to move it up to go between 1 and 10. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 2.9. That's where our decimal place lives. Okay, but with this one, there's no decimals, there's no ending. It's just one big number. So we've got our decimal in the right place. That's important. But the rest of it just doesn't just disappear. It stays the same. But we're going to times it by 10 to the power of 8. Because that's how many times we moved our decimal place to get between 2 and 9. So that would be that massive number times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. It says, yeah. The diameter of a human hair is about 0.000075 meters. Write this diameter in standard form. So we know it's going to have a negative power. So we're going to do, well, we'll do it there. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 7.5 times 10 to the power of minus 5. Because we moved the decimal place 5 times. And then finally, whoa, massive number. The mass of the Earth is 5,970 ridiculous kilograms. Express this mass in standard form. I won't be writing this one out, so let's find our decimal place. It's moved 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's moved 24 times to get our decimal point here. So now we've got 5.97 times 10 to the power of 24. So it doesn't matter how big the numbers are, like in this question, it's still the same concept. It's all about moving the decimal place from the end between our 1 and 10. Okay? Hope this helps. Bye-bye.